Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopingguide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated glass rinsers. Any bartender would agree that the cleaner the glass, the tastier the drink. Even a bit of dirt or grease can destroy a good meal and party. The key to preventing such a catastrophe is a thorough rinse, and the secret to a proper rinsing is a reliable glass rinser. In this video, we selected 7 of the top glass rinsers on the market to assist you in quick and easy cleaning. The team at trustedshopingguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the glass rinsers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedshopingguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first glass rinser on our list is the POKIM Glass Rinser. This product is compatible with any sink that has access to running water, and it can be used to thoroughly clean any kind of glassware, from plastic to glass, even wine glasses. Measuring 2.64 by 1 by 4.8 inches, any glass size and shape is sure to fit. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the POKIM Glass Rinser a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Good drainage. This rinser has a neoprene disc base with a slight angle to assist with draining. 10 spouts. Its multi-angle water outlet cleaning head washes your cup well, making sure that every inch is clean and rinsed. Easy installation. The installation will only take about 20 minutes and there is no need for a plumber. Simply follow the instructions or watch the video for a better understanding. Simple to use. POKIM features a simple push-down operation so you can clean each glass with ease and faster. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you will need to drill a hole in your countertop for installation unless you have an existing kitchen faucet sprayer or soap dispenser. The second glass rinser on our list is the Grandiance Glass Rinser. The Grandiance's rinser base is made of full SUS 304 stainless steel with a brass mounting shark to ensure safe water quality. We would also like to highlight that the spray head comes with powerful water jets, providing multi-dimension cleaning and maximum cleanliness, so you may rest easy knowing that the glasses are spick and span every time. Overall, it's 2.69 inches in width, 1.10 inches in height, and has a diameter of 4.63 inches, which can accommodate cups of all sizes. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Grandiance Glass Rinser a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to use. Simply pop the cup onto the rinser for a few seconds and go again for a fresh cup. Works fast, no splash. Fast installation. It comes with all the necessary quality hardware parts like a brass adapter T and a 42-inch SUS 304 braided hose to split cold and hot water taps and connect to the water supply. Backflow protection. This item uses a non-return check valve with an integrated flow regulator. It has a flow rate of 4.5 to 5.68 liters per minute, ensuring enough water pressure and water saving simultaneously. Non-slip pads. The 6-petal design silicone pads prevent slipping during rinsing. Just rotate the bottles or cups freely to achieve maximum cleanliness. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there should be at least 3.6 inches distance between the installation hole and the faucet. The third glass rinser on our list is the J-HVA Glass Rinser. This model is made from a hard and corrosion-resistant zinc alloy to ensure longevity. In terms of appearance, it sports a sleek, low-profile design that allows the glass rinser to pair seamlessly with any faucet in any room style. With dimensions of 5.51 by 2.76 by 1.08 inches, this unit can rinse most standard drinkware, including wine glasses, baby bottles, and travel cups. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the J-HVA Glass Rinser a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Highly convenient. This item thoroughly rinses residue in seconds with high-pressure water jets that reach where you can't. Widely application. For baby bottles to wine glasses to travel cups, it conveniently rinses virtually any drinkware faster and easier. Fit cup caliber. It has a maximum drinkware opening size of 1.18 inches and a maximum drinkware opening size of 4.33 inches. Easy installation. You can easily install it on an empty countertop hole such as those used for soap dispensers and sink sprayers. Otherwise, you'll need to make a new hole. In addition, the rinser can also be connected to either a hot or cold water supply line. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you need to be careful when rinsing because the water pressure can get excessively high, which may damage the glass. The fourth glass rinser on our list is the Delta Faucet Glass Rinser. Introduce the power of convenience to your kitchen with the Delta Glass Rinser. It features a stainless steel finish with subtle warm undertones, making it an excellent match with nickel or stainless steel. This cleaner is also extremely versatile, complementing nearly any look, be it traditional, transitional, or contemporary. In terms of size, it measures 4 inches in width and 1.13 inches in height. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Delta Faucet Glass Rinser a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Good drainage. The subtle overhang directs water flow into the kitchen sink for easy cleanup with each use. Wide application. From baby bottles to wine glasses to travel cups, it conveniently rinses virtually any drinkware so you can spend less time soaking and scrubbing. Powerful jets. Its powerful water jets cleanse residue in seconds, rinsing even the most hard-to-reach areas. Spot Shield technology. By preventing water stains and fingerprints, Spot Shield technology ensures that your glass rinser remains clean for longer. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has a distance requirement. There must be at least 2 inches of space surrounding the installation hole and no more than 2.25 inches from the center of the hole to the sink's edge, ensuring water flow goes into the sink instead of pooling onto your countertop. The fifth glass rinser on our list is the PYGHWNXH Glass Rinser. The black cup washer chassis and the pressing part of the cup mouth are made of high-quality ABS material, while the main body is copper and features an electroplated surface. Best of all, this 5.1 by 5.5 by 1.1 inch cup cleaner comes in an elegant matte black body that may perfectly match your kitchen environment. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PYGHWNXH Glass Rinser a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Quick cleaning. Simply put the mouth of the cup down, press the bottom of the cup lightly, and spray from multiple angles. Its powerful water flow can thoroughly rinse the residue in a few seconds, making your cup as bright as new. 5 spouts. With its 5 strong water spraying holes, this tool offers multifaceted cleaning to guarantee the highest level of cleanliness. Simple installation. It comes with all the accessories you need such as a bottle washer, T-connector, water inlet pipe, and an instruction manual allowing you to install it within a few minutes. Wide application. The rinser can clean all types of cups with an opening smaller than 4 inches and can be used in home kitchens, pubs, coffee shops, or hotels. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is water may sit in the base, so you would have to adjust its angle for easy drainage. The sixth glass rinser on our list is the Eigso Glass Rinser. Its exceptional performance and the ability to complement any kitchen counter make it a popular choice. You can easily connect the Eigso Glass Rinser to any standard sink hole or countertop with any brand of faucet. As for performance, the powerful stream can rinse any drinkware or bottle in under 2 seconds. And to make things even better, this 3 by 4.7 by 1 inch cup cleaner can work on glasses with openings of 1 to 4 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Eigso Glass Rinser a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Powerful jets. It has 7 water outlets that spray strong water jets to clean the internal stains more quickly. Complete accessories. Out of the box, you'll get all the things needed for the installation so you can set it up quickly. Wide application. This tool makes it easy to rinse almost any kind of drinkware, like wine glasses, baby bottles, and travel cups, saving you time that you would have spent soaking and cleaning. Easy to use. Simply turn the cup upside down to put it on the rinser, gently press the bottom of the cup, and then you can enjoy automatic water spray cleaning. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is Some users reported that the included T-junction leaked, so you might want to buy a separate T-junction and use that instead. The 7th glass rinser on our list is the HGN Glass Rinser. This HGN glass washer is stylish and goes well with a variety of kitchen settings. Its brushed nickel finish prevents water stains and fingerprints, keeping the glass rinser neat. Best of all, it comes in a variety of sizes and colors, so you can choose one that fits your kitchen aesthetic. In terms of size, this rinser is 4.26 inches wide and 0.95 inches tall. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HGN Glass Rinser a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Wide application. Soaking and scrubbing glasses are so last season. Instead, use this glass rinser to clean all kinds of drinkware such as wine glasses, mugs, bottles, and more. Quick cleaning. Its 10 multi-angle spray hole cleans the cup in all directions, including the hard-to-reach areas. This guarantees that your glass is spotless. Easy to use. Simply tilt the cup's mouth downward and softly press the base to trigger an automated water spray for cleaning. Quick installation. You may complete the installation yourself as it only takes a few minutes and comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it does not drain completely and leaves a tiny pool, so we recommend you adjust its angle. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated glass rinsers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next glass rinser roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.